Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best garden clogs for men, ChayChax men's and women's arch support clogs. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the garden or enjoys outdoor activities, then these clogs might be just what you need. Whether it's for light gardening or casual strolls on the beach, the ChayChax clogs are designed to provide all-day comfort and support. Let's talk about comfort first. These clogs come with a unique insole that offers excellent arch support. If you've ever struggled with foot fatigue, especially after long hours on your feet, you'll appreciate the cushioning and the way these shoes absorb impact. They're perfect for those who suffer from sore feet or joint stress. The footbed is built to reduce pressure on your joints and back, helping you stay comfortable for longer periods, even when you're walking on uneven surfaces. The clogs are also incredibly lightweight. This means you won't feel weighed down while wearing them, and they'll move naturally with your feet as you walk. The outer material is made from ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA, which is both lightweight and flexible, making them easy to slip on and off. Plus, they're perfect for various environments, from the garden to the beach, or even as a casual slip-on for quick errands. Another great feature is their breathability. The ventilation ports allow for air circulation, which helps keep your feet cool and dry, even on warmer days. Whether you're working outside under the sun or just enjoying a relaxed walk, these clogs keep your feet comfortable by allowing moisture and heat to escape. They're designed with water resistance in mind, which makes them easy to clean after a messy gardening session. Just rinse them off, and you're good to go. Cleaning these clogs is a breeze too. The detachable insole ensures you can thoroughly clean the inside of the shoe, keeping them fresh and free from dirt and debris. No need to worry about buildup after long days in the garden or at the beach. In terms of style, the ChayChax clogs come in a variety of colors and sizes, making it easy to find a pair that suits your personal taste. They're versatile enough to wear for casual outings and even more outdoor-oriented tasks. To sum it up, the ChayChax men's and women's arch support clogs are a top choice for anyone looking for comfort, support, and durability in their outdoor footwear. If you're in need of a reliable pair of garden shoes that will keep your feet comfortable no matter the task, these clogs should definitely be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next product review.